JEE MAIN 2026, 2nd April Shift-2, Physics Section B, Question 48. Let us visualize the setup. We have a container holding 5 moles of an unknown gas. The piston is fixed, meaning the volume stays constant throughout the process. A thermometer shows the initial temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. The gas has a molar specific heat at constant pressure, Cp, equal to 8 calories per mole degree Celsius. R equals 8.36 joules per mole degree Celsius. Now watch as we heat the gas from 10 degrees to 20 degrees Celsius. The question states, 5 moles of an unknown gas is heated at constant volume from 10 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. The molar specific heat at constant pressure, Cp, is 8 calories per mole degree Celsius and R is 8.36 joules per mole degree Celsius. Find the change in internal energy in calories. This is a numerical type question. The key concept here involves the relationship between specific heats and internal energy. On the PV diagram, a constant volume process is a vertical line. At constant volume, work done is 0 because there is no change in volume. The crucial formula is change in internal energy, delta U, equals N times Cv times delta T. And to find Cv, we use Maier's relation, Cv equals Cp minus R. Because the answer is required in calories, we must convert R to the same units as Cp. Step 1. We need Cv in calories, but R is given in joules. Since 1 calorie equals 4.186 joules, we convert R equals 8.36 divided by 4.186, which gives us approximately 2 calories per mole degree Celsius. Now, using Maier's relation, Cv equals Cp minus R, that is 8 minus 2, giving us Cv equals 6 calories per mole degree Celsius. Step 2. Now we substitute into delta U equals N times Cv times delta T. We have N equals 5 moles, Cv equals 6 calories per mole degree Celsius, and delta T equals 20 minus 10, which is 10 degrees. Plugging in the values, 5 times 6 times 10. Computing this gives us 300. Step 3. Therefore, the change in internal energy, delta U, equals 300 calories. That is our final answer. The change in internal energy is 300 calories. That is the correct numerical answer to this question. Here are some important exam tips for thermodynamics. Remember Maier's relation, Cp minus Cv equals R, delta U equals nCv delta T for internal energy change. Delta H equals nCp delta T for enthalpy change. And gamma is the ratio Cp over Cv. A very common mistake is mixing up units. If Cp is given in calories, always convert R from joules to calories first. Remember, 1 calorie is 4.186 joules, and R is approximately 2 calories per mole degree Celsius.